Big news out there, digital marketers. You're going to be able to simplify all of your first-party data and better serve ads to your customers. You're also going to be able to much better track what ads actually drove conversions for you, and that's all specifically through Google Ads. The reason for that is because Google just came out with something that they're calling the Google Ads Data Manager, and this simplifies the way that you manage data. Google did this because they have a big focus on first-party data. There's a lot of talk about cookies going away. There's a lot of talk about governments allowing people to remove all of their data online. There's just a big act that was passed inside of California for this. And in general, there's things like the right to be forgotten in a lot of different ways. And so businesses moving forward are going to need to collect first-party data in the right way, deploy it in the right way, and they're going to want to track their digital marketing all the way down to the final sale as much as possible. And that's where Google Ads' new Data Manager solution comes into play. This is what Google has to say about it. Today, we're introducing Google Ads Data Manager. This was on October 11th when this came out, 2023, which is a simple way to connect and use your first-party data with their ad solutions. It puts all of your data management controls in one place, enabling you to drive incremental revenue and better outcomes in your business. According to Google, less than a third of marketers consistently and effectively access and integrate first-party data across channels, and Google Ads Data Manager is going to allow you to do that. What you're going to love the most about this is you're going to have one collaborative interface that's going to connect all of your data touchpoints together. Up until now, agencies like ourselves had to manage these connections through sheets, engineers, third-party softwares, but now Google Data Manager gives us this one centralized solution. You're going to be able to onboard first-party data way faster. You're going to be able to track conversions much more quickly, and you're going to be able to see what's working better within your marketing and Google Ads. Now, Google Ads Data Manager isn't going to be fully available to everybody until early 2024, but it's slowly rolling out right now. It's really going to speed up enhanced conversions for leads as well as customer match. Google's recommending that right now you stay ahead by investing and building up your first-party data, having things like email captures, downloads, events, quizzes, valuable things that your customers want to interact with so that you can gather their data. When Google Ads Data Manager becomes available to you, we recommend you sign up right away. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Give me a like and a subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.